Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Carrying by Sydney. I've got the actual spark plug tubes out from this Boxster 986. Just gotta be careful, just use your hand and you just sort of like put your hand in there and it'll pick, just pull it out. So the most important thing, so you don't break any of the plastic, so just take your time, you just use your hand and it'll pick, small little tiny pick to get them out, so nothing's broken. Yeah, so this is the brand new one. That's a brand new one. I'll put some installation grease on them. But look how, see how they usually leak from this one here. Look at that. That O-ring there, it's just flat. Look at this, the new one is bigger. See how it comes out like that? The old one is just too small. The O-ring. There you go. Brand new one. New O-rings. That's the old one. Just old and they harden up. And that's it. That's all. All I gotta do now is just put them in one by one. It's much easier to install than actually taking it out. Taking it out is really hard because you gotta actually take your time because you don't want to break it. You don't want to break anything because if the plastic breaks inside, you gotta take the cam cover off. So take your time, don't rush it. Installing it, it's quicker than actually, looks easier than actually taking it out. So that's the old one. And that's the new one there. So I've got to do the other side and then clean both, all the oil down and then go from there. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.